Alright guys, guess what? It's Wednesday night. It's cruise night, and I found a place to park.
Have your pin.
Hey, we're gonna take you to the train station, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Hey, tonight's for Lee Shakas and Stephen Bailey. Rest in peace. We love you guys in heaven. Surf City Classics in the house. 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.
Yeah, brother. There we go. Brian's in the house. Big Willie. Yeah. What's up, my brother?
DC, baby, in the house.
Yeah, doing good. Mayor's Choice Award. Awesome
Yes,
job.
sir.
That was great. Top Valley. Yeah. Really. Old school. Drag it. Drag that shit. Mike.
Hey, buddy.
Good to see you, brother.
Alrighty.
Always a fun night.
Yeah,
I had to shoot a can tonight. I couldn't get on Facebook Live in time. Or YouTube Live.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you do? We'll see you later. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Thank
to
you.
We got Cop Car Bob. Bob. Cop Car Bruce in the house.
No cop car
Let's call
tonight.
you Bob.
No cop car tonight.
No cop car, but you know what? We'll still take you.
Okay.
There you go. Cop Car Bruce, Sam. There's Steve. Letting your girlfriend out, I see.
Send her out.
Yes, sir. Looking good, brother. 1930. Molly. Ford. Hamilton. Andy. 65 GMC. What is up, my brother? Eyes on you, mother. Eyes on you. Yeah. Mike Miller's in the house. 56. Olin. Hello, hello. How are you? Good to see you. Mike Miller. Scotty. So, do you still have the Integra, or is the Integra gone?
No, it's still. I still
Okay,
have
good.
it.
Cool. I love that car. I almost got one the other day, but he sold it out.
Maybe not for long though.
Oh,
I
you never-
am
hey,
planning to sell it.
Oh, yeah. People want them. Good to see you. All right. Rod Dixon's in the house. New Gen Vets and Surf City Classics.
Hey, good time.
He's got to say hi to all his fans. Look at that, see?
Gotcha.
He's got his whole entourage here. Out of the house. What's up? Boom, no live tonight. I couldn't get up in time. It is what it is. Good to see you. All right, Jeff Page, 63 Impala. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Looking good, brother. Nice ride. Beats the bug, huh? I know. But it's a nice ride. It's a nice one to have. What a sweetheart.
Going slow, brother.
Danny.
Hey,
What
Jamie.
is up, my friend? How are you?
Hey, what's up, brother? How are you guys, man?
Great, great.
Praise God, dude.
Having fun, having fun.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
to see you, man.
Yeah, man. Always good to see you guys.
All right. Yeah, looks like Max. What's up, Max? How you doing? 65 Corvair. And we got Peterson. And alive. Nice sticker. Nice and fresh looking. I like it. How you been?
Good.
Good to see you.
Get the car back out.
Yeah. 65. Go. 65.
Got to wash it, man.
Thank you, brother.
How you doing? How you doing?
Good, brother. Good to see you. Sounds good. Going pretty good?
Yeah, good same.
Sounds good. We got Bailey and John. What is up? Good to see you.
Oh, yeah, dude.
It's been a minute. I know. I got my boat all pulled apart right now.
Fantastic.
Pouring down, redoing the whole motor. So it'll run now. Finally. Finally. All right. Bailey and Don. It was trouble. That sounds like 57 Jane to me. What is up? Man, that motor sounds so nice. You just a nice little low. Not too, you know. We know what it can get it done. We know that. That thing runs, man. All right, 70 Grande. see you. Thanks for coming. Good to see you. Great cruise night tonight.
Thanks to
There he is.
PCTV. Hit the subscribe button. Lee Shakas, Stephen Bailey. Rest in peace. We miss you guys. Surf City Classics in the house. 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.
One more time. Hey, it's Bob. And Lynn. What's up? Good to see you, man. How's it going? You got the top down. You're smiling. Hello. Good to see you. Bob LaCour. Officer Bob LaCour. There's his other hat. I knew you weren't going to be far behind.
I got cut off.
I know. That happened like that. I couldn't find a parking spot. So I was like racing. There we go. Woo! Look at this crowd here. Oh, happy birthday!
Yeah, made it to another one.
Mr. William Lodge's birthday. Lee's girlfriend. Yeah, not son-in-law, boyfriend-in-law, Lee Shakas. I'm not sure exactly how to put it.
Let's just say I'm Sarah's boyfriend.
There you go. Thanks for coming down, bro. It's hard when you got them going both ways.
Yeah, I know, right?
All right, it's got to be crowded like that these days. All right, good to see you.
Watch BC. Give him a thumbs up, please.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Watch Willie. He's always a good guy. Yo ho, yo ho. You rolling on that glassware with us. What's up? Yeah, yeah.
Bye-bye.
There's the taco. Old school. We got Nick in the Gutenberg. That is forever. There he is. What's up, Dominic? Been a minute. Good to see you, brother.
man.
Good, good. Good
going
to see
good?
you. Yeah, you're doing good, huh? Good. We got Dominic. We got Fitz coming up. One more time. Last time around, Mike Fitzgerald in the house. Good to see you as always.
Take it easy.
Take care, brother. We got Mouse and Mary. Ryan's out of the truck. You know what that means? Hey, Mouse. How's it? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Mouse and Mary, doing good. We got Lee one more time. Last time around.
Last
May.
time around for the day.
Happy birthday.
Next week's another week.
That's right. Good to see you. Lee Van Dreck. Got two. Heather. Jeff and Jeannie. What's going on?
Another good day.
It was a fun day. Thank you for the advice. Appreciate it. Great folks. Oh, Vince. Vince. What is going on? Good to see you.
Just you, man.
Yes, sir. Hooligans. That's two hooligans in a row. Wait a second. How does that work? We got two hooligans in a row.
If you have one hooligan, you have one too many.
Right? There we go. Great looking hot rod. Yeah, it's getting complicated. There's so many cameras out here now. Here's that 67 Chevelle one more time. Sweet ride, brother. Yeah. We got Andy.
That's a badass Chevelle too, huh?
It is. I love that thing, man.
427.
I love it. I'm a sucker for and a 4-speed on top of that. 6.7. We got Mike one more time. Yes, sir. Hey, hey. Yeah. And another bike. How's that work? We got two mics in a row and two double nickels in a row.
How about it?
Yeah, all right, brother. Well, actually a 5.6 and a double nickel. We got John and Donna. In the house, yeah. Oh, there he is. You finally made it around.
Huh?
There, first or second?
First.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Wow. Sounds good.
All right, man.
That's good, brother, man.
All right, I'll see you. I'm gonna head home.
Okay.
Rebecca and Lombers? Rebecca Lombers?
I guess so. I think I just gotta have beer and go home.
All right.
I'm trying to lose weight.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
Good for you, man.
But beer doesn't help.
All right. Should have liked you.
There we go. Got a little crew coming through. Oh, there's Rod. Whoa.
You guys have a good weekend, huh?
Hey, great show last week. That was
Thank
amazing.
you so much. Thank you all for
Fantastic
coming. It was our pleasure.
600 people, new gen vets, put on an amazing Father's Day car show and get together at the Highway 39 Event Center. It was amazing. All right, these poor ladies. How did we get stuck in this? Denise, right?
Yeah. And we remember.
Oh my God, I did better than 5 minutes. No, 2 minutes usually. Looking good, looking good. I'm so bad. Beautiful 5'6". Mike and Denise. Max, one more time. Yeah, brother, take care. There we go. Bruce is already parked. Craig. So, is this what happens when you put it in the dryer too long?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's like wool.
you gotta put it on low, you know? Good to see you, man. There you go. There's Mel 69. Yeah, brother, looking good. Boom. 23T Lee. Thank you for coming, Ryan.
Of course.
We got Vince Magnani one more time. It looks like we're just about done for the night. What a surprise to see Vince. It's awesome. Good to see you guys. Oh, we got a pirate. And he's not a butt pirate. Oh, this is a cool pirate right here.
One of the last ones bringing up the rear.
You are, man. Oh, we got Mr. Nick there one more time.
There we go.
My buddy. All right, there it is. Yeah. All right, well, I think that about calls it for us here. Ryan, what do you got to say?
Look at all the kids. We got all the kids.
Oh, the
in
car full of
wagon.
kids?
That's what the club's all about, you guys.
Oh, yeah.
We have a Kid Pass Point Church Show this weekend, June 22nd. Come down and support it. He needs the help. We're doing all kinds of fun stuff, you guys. The club's just rocking and rolling. We knocked the doors off this thing tonight, Patrick. Tonight's dedicated to Stephen Bailey and Lee Shakas. We love you guys, and we appreciate them. They're members that we'll never forget.
They're the best.
Surf City Classics in the house. 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.
Right on.